Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the development of female gametophyte. As you know very well, in the last lecture we have studied the development of male gametophyte. So today we will study the development of female gametophyte. Before studying the development of female gametophyte, we will study about the megasporogenesis. What is megasporogenesis? It is the process of formation of haploid megaspores from diploid megaspore mother cell. As we have studied the development of the microspore from the microspore mother cell, which was present inside the anther, same way here megaspore mother cells are also present inside the ovule, which give rise the haploid megaspore. This is the diagram of development of female gametophyte. In the nucellus, a diploid hypodermal cell at the micropylar end gets differentiated to form the archisporium, and mostly this single-celled archisporium directly functions as a megaspore mother cell, which is diploid in nature. Here we can see this is the mother cell, megaspore mother cell, which is diploid in nature. This megaspore mother cell will go to a meiotic cell division and it will form 4 haploid cells. We can see here 4 haploid cells. Out of these 4 haploid cells, 3 will get degenerate. 3 cells will get degenerate. These are also called the megaspores. These 3 megaspore will degenerate and one upper one will remain alive. This megaspore, this alive megaspore, which is haploid, will grow in size, and now this is nearest the micropylar end. This is nearest the micropylar end, and this will go for 3 successive mitotic cell division. When first mitotic cell division will take place, this one nucleus, which is haploid, will form the 2 nucleus. At this stage, again it will go another mitotic cell division, and from 2 nucleus there is the formation of 4 nucleus, and again there is third mitotic cell division, and from the 4 nucleus there is the formation of 8 nuclei. As you know very well, this is called the karyokinesis. Division of the nucleus is called karyokinesis, which is followed by the cytokinesis. Immediately this nucleus outer wall will get formed, which is called the cell wall, and this process is called the cytokinesis. 3 cells at the upper side are called the antipodal cell. These 3 cells are called the antipodal cells, and this downward 3 cells are there. These side 2 cells are called the synergids cells, and middle one is called the ovum or the female gamete. Out of these 8 nuclei, 2 nuclei will come in the center, which is called the polar nuclei. These 2 are the polar nuclei. Okay, so now there are total 8 nuclei are there. So this is the mature embryo sac, which is also called the female gametophyte, which is having eight nucleus. Here you can see both the polar nuclei gets fused and form the diploid nucleus. But before there were 8 nucleus were there. So at this stage where 8 nuclei are there, here also students, actually here 2 nucleus are there which get fused. So total 8 nuclei are there and 7 cells are there. 3 here, 3 downward and 1 this. So total 7 cells and 8 nuclei are there. And at this stage, this is called the female gametophyte or the embryo sac. This female gametophyte is monosporic. This is called monosporic female gametophyte because it is developed from a single megaspore. It is developed from a single megaspore. So it is called monosporic. It is also called the endosporic because the development takes place inside the megaspore. That is why it is called the endosporic, 7-celled and 8 nucleated female gametophyte. So I'll repeat it again. Here one megaspore mother cell is there which will go for a meiosis and it will form the 4 megaspores. Out of these 4 megaspore, 3 will degenerate and 1 will alive, which is called the functional megaspore. This is the functional megaspore which will grow in size and it will go for 3 successive mitotic cell division. In the first mitosis, from 1 nuclei there is formation of 2 nuclei. In the second mitotic cell division, from 2 nucleus there is the formation of 4 nucleus, and from the 4 nucleus in the third mitotic cell division there is the formation of 8 nuclei. Out of these 8 nuclei, 3 will at the upper end and 3 will be at the downward end and 2 will come in the center. These are called the, immediately after the karyokinesis, cytokinesis will take place, and upper these 3 cells are called the antipodals and downward it is called the egg apparatus. Here side one are called the synergids and middle one is called the egg or the female gamete. So at this 8 nucleated and 7 celled structure is called the female gametophyte.
Today we will study about the development of female gametophyte. In the previous lesson we have studied about the development of male gametophyte, right? So today we will study about the development of male gametophyte. Before studying that, I tell you where this development of female gametophyte takes place. As you know very well, these are the four walls of the flower, and this last wall, which is called the gynoecium. Here upper one is called the stigma, middle one is the style, and inside if we will go, there is the ovary. If you will open this part like that, if you will open, see, before also we have discussed that this swollen part is called the ovary. This is called the ovary. Stigma, style, and ovary. And this ovary, ovule is there, and inside the ovule there is the development of female gametophyte. Okay. Now through the different slides we will study the development of female gametophyte.